Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be making cornrows on my hair. My hair is waist length 4C hair, and this can be a whole lot of struggle to make. And the whole point of making this hairstyle was so that I can put on wig. Yes, I am not really a wig girl, but this particular period was going to be like really busy, and I just knew that I would not really have the time to style my hair, and I just knew that wig would be the answer to whatever struggle I would go through or face at that particular time. So the first thing I did was to part my hair. Initially, a friend of mine parted my hair. He's actually a guy. Now, man, I parted the hair before, and he has not exactly done that before. That was his first time. So it was still kind of like not really straight, but since this is just the back, I think I can just like walk around it. So the only thing I had to do was to repart this other side, because he did not exactly do the smaller parting. He did just the major one, which was the middle parting, and the half middle and the center, if that makes any sense. Don't worry, you understand. Anyways, so while you're watching this, I just want to quickly talk about this whole natural hair is ugly and cannot be styled to some kind of event and places conversation that has been on recently. And okay, I wouldn't really say recently, because I think it has been on for a period now, a while, like right from time, let me even put it that way, because the natural hair community have this particular issue. We face this kind of issue with people. They believe that if you're a natural hair girly, you can't take your hair out to some event and it cannot be styled with some kind of outfit. So yeah, I'm going to be talking about that. But before I go ahead, I will just quickly introduce myself. My name is Didi, and I'm a Kwara state-based natural hair content creator. You're welcome to my page. And here on this channel, we talk about everything natural hair, DIY hairstyles, and natural hair issues. If you have any question regarding your natural hair, you can let me know in the comments. And if you want me to make any video concerning any hair thing, you can let me know also in the comments. Thank you so much for clicking on my video to watch. Do not forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and let me know where you're watching from. So there is this thing that people always say: the natural hair cannot be styled with some outfit or cannot be worn to some kind of event. And I want to believe that the love and the dedication and the care we should actually put into our hair or have for our hair is not really seen in the black hair community or in the black women community. One thing with black women is they don't really care about their natural hair. I kind of feel like people see natural hair as a form of stress, and just something that takes up so much time. And I would like to believe that it takes consistency, it takes determination for you to want to grow your natural hair, so for you to want to see your natural hair thrive. Now, it's very fine if so many people do not in any way have that time or strength. Like, I kind of feel like not everybody even has the time for so many things, but you can always create time for it. But at the same time, I want to believe that these women do not just love their natural hair, and the time and the effort put into styling of wigs, frontals, and so many other extension kind of hairs. I want to believe that if that time is put into your natural hair, you would actually see results. Now, I do not have an issue with wearing wigs. I do not have an issue with styling other extensions, but I have an issue with the hair, your own hair underneath these things. They are actually not cared for. Most of these women do not even care about their edges. You see them do frontals, and their front hair, the hairline is gone, and they keep reapplying this glue. They keep fixing these frontals. They do not care if it's affecting their hair or not. Now, so many people use styling gels and so many other things for their scalp, and they do not treat their scalp afterwards. Thereby leads to dandruff, itching, and so many other scalp conditions. And they eventually wonder where this whole thing is coming from. And most of the time, it's as a result of lack of post care, should I put it that way. There is no proper care after the takedown of the hairstyle or whatever. So basically, women do not really love their natural hair, like the way they put in too much effort in the extensions and the human hairs. Natural hair is not really hard. It's not hard. It just, I kind of feel like it depends on the texture you have and how you understand your hair. My hair is fussy and it is really long and it is really dense. It is really full. So it is a struggle and it will be a bigger problem for someone who really do not care about the natural hair. So instead, they will go ahead to use relaxers and so many other things on the natural hair, and in turn you kind of lose how healthy your hair is actually supposed to be. Again, like I said, I do not have an issue with people styling their hair with frontals and these other extensions, but one issue I have, again I'm going to say, is the fact that they abandon their original hair. It's very important for us to put in an effort, no matter how little it is. Try to love your hair first before using any other extension. Do not forget that aside the synthetic weave-ons and waves, the other kind of hairs people use on their head is actually other people's hair. Like these hairs are gotten from Asian women and some other women, Brazilian women, and so on, and they are being processed and preserved and converted into bundles, and they are made into wigs to be used on your hair. So if those women did not care for their natural hair, they did not care for their kind of hair, I want to believe that we would not want to use it at all. We would not want to. I've seen a few cases of the white people that would also want to have our kind of hair, which is kind of rare. But a few of them, I've seen videos where Asians actually try to make their hair into afro, right, into this 4C 4B kind of hair, just so that they can kind of have this feel. We ourselves, we do not love our hair and we want to have their own kind of hair. It is even very hard, like I said, for people of that race to want to have our own kind of hair, to want to make their hairs like ours. Just a few of them, I've seen videos try to do that. So if they really love their hair that much and they do not want our kind of hair, and we also do not want our own kind of hair, I kind of feel like there is an error somewhere. I kind of feel like, or I feel, or I think, in fact, there is an error somewhere, and women need to try to put in effort into loving their natural hair. It might be so hard, but natural hair is not that hard if you can actually crack the code. It is not that hard.